Hi students, welcome to the PYQ discussions of the chapter 3D geometry. Okay, in this video we will be discussing questions from 2025 as well as from 2024. Okay, and stay tuned, we will be discussing so many questions in this session and we will be discussing the theory and shortcuts along. Okay, so let's start. Okay, our very first question from 2025 shift 1. A point is given, a xyz is given, be a point in the xy plane, okay, which is equidistant from the 3 points, that is 0, 3, 2, 2, 0, 3 and 0, 0, 1, okay, and 2 more points are given, b is equal to 1, 4 minus 1, c is equal to 2, 0 minus 2, then among the statement question, then among the statements, two statements are given, triangle ABC is isosceles right angle triangle and the area of that triangle is given like 9 root 2 by 2. Okay, we need to identify the truth and falsity of the given statements. It's a very easy question actually. Before starting doing the questions, I should remind you something of this chapters 3D as well as vectors. See what happened after 2023 is like the questions are getting more and more diluted. It is more diluted in 2024 and it's more diluted in 2025 as well. Okay, if you have doubt, you can check the questions of 2023. Okay, that was the JEE kept the standard there. The standard keeps on decreasing year by year. Okay, so about 3D, initially you all know that the topic plane was also there, but it got deleted for mains. And now the topics is mainly focused on straight line, the lines as well as the basics of 3D geometry. Okay. About this topic, it's a very easy topic. It's easy to score marks and the questions are getting more and more easier. Okay, so all of you are planning to get good marks on 3D, good marks on JEE Mains in the next phase as well. So you should keep these two chapters in your tab. Okay, that is vectors as well as 3D. Okay, these two chapters are very easy to score good marks and very easy to understand the concepts also. Okay. The questions are mainly the PYQ questions are asking. Okay, that is keep the questions which keeps on repeating like that. Okay, and in this there will be two sessions for 3D geometry. In the video we will be discussing so many questions from 3D. Okay, and we'll give you some important tips and formulas for doing those questions. Okay, and let's start. The very first one. Okay, the question is like a xyz be a point on xy plane. Okay. So what is the specialty of xy plane? In xy plane, the z coordinate will be 0. Therefore, a can be written from here itself. We can written like it will a is x, y, and 0. Instead of z, we can write 0. Okay, and it is equidistant from the 3 points. And using the relation which is equidistant from the 3 points, we need to find x, y, and z. And by finding x, y, and z, we after finding the complete coordinates of a, we should apply distance formula. We need to find AB, BZ and AZ as well to verify the truth and falsity of the given statements. Okay, we need to move to the next slide. Okay, the calculations is bit more in this. Okay, this won't be enough. Okay, let's move. Okay, I'm transforming the data to the next slide. That is the first is like x comma y comma 0. Okay, next one is 0, 3, 2, 2, 0, 3. 0, 3, 2, 2, 0, 3. I think the last one is 0, 0, 1, right? Okay, that is 0, 0, 1. That is this point is equidistant from all of those points. Okay, so let's use distance formula then. Okay, at the same time I am scoring it also. That is, let's take it as AP, Q and R. That is AP square is equal to AQ square is equal to AR square. It's a very basic thing. Okay. So what is AP square? That is x minus 0 the whole square, that is x square, plus y minus 3 the whole square, that is y square, minus 6y plus 9 plus 0 minus 2 the whole square is 2 square, that is 4. Okay, which is equal to AR square. I am equating this and this, that is x square plus y square plus 1 square. This got cancelled. Okay, that is minus 6y, this is 13. Okay, that is 1 square is 1 and 1 minus 13 is minus 12. Okay, that is y is equal to what? 2. You got the value of y. There is one more value which we need to find, that is x. For that, let's equate AP square and AQ square. AP square we know already, AP square is here. That is x square plus y square minus 6y plus 9 plus 4 is 13, which is equal to what is AQ square? That is x minus 2 the whole square, that is x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 3 square is 9. Okay. X square, y square, x square, y square got cancelled. This 13, 4 and 9 got cancelled. That is x is equal to minus 6y is equal to minus 4x. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 2y. And what was y? 2. That is x is equal to 3. Okay, y is 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Now, you got the value of x, y. Okay, x and 5, x and y. Therefore, what is a? A is 3, 2, 0. Okay, it's not done yet. There is more to go. The next one, which is like 1, 4 minus 1, 2, 0 minus 2. 1, 4 minus 1 and 2, 0 minus 2. That is B and which is C. That is 1, 4 minus 1 and 2, 0 minus 2. Okay, let's find AB, BC and AC. Okay, therefore, what is AB? AB is equal to 3 minus 1, the whole square is 2 square, that is 4. This is also 2 square, again 4. This is 1 square, that is 2. 4 plus 1, that is 9. And root 9 is what? 3. Okay, and what about AC? AC is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, that is also 3. And what about AB? You know how to use distance formula, right? Therefore, I am not pointing out the basic calculations here. Okay, what is AB? AB, AC and BC, sorry, BC. What is BC? BC is 1 square plus 4 square plus 1 square, that is root 18. Root 18 is 2 root 3. Okay. Is this a right angle triangle? It's a right angle triangle because AB square is equal to 9, AC square is equal to 9, BC square is equal to 18. Therefore, AB square plus AC square is equal to what? BC square. That is, this is B, C. Okay. The 3 and 3. Okay. Therefore, I think the first statement is like it is an isosceles right angle triangle. The option is correct. Okay. It is a right angle triangle as well as it is an isosceles. Okay. Therefore, it is an isosceles right angle triangle. Therefore, the statement 1 is correct. Then we need to check the area of triangle ABC. What is the area of this triangle ABC? Since it is a right angle triangle, area will be half into base into height. That is 9. That is 9 by 2. It's not correct, right? Yeah, it's not correct. Therefore, only statement 1 is true. That is the correct one. Okay. And that's all about this question. Next one. Okay. Okay, a regular question. The square of the distance of the point 15 by 7, 32 by 7, 7. A point is given. From the line x plus 1 by 3, y plus 3 by 5 and z plus 5 by 7 in the direction of the vector I plus 4j plus 7k. So many questions are asked based on this. Actually, a similar question is asked in 2D geometry also. Same question instead of 3D in 2D geometry also. That is in straight lines also they are asking these types of questions. Okay. So let's try and sort it out. The square of the distance from the point. Okay, that is let's mark the point here. That is 15 by 7, 32 by 7, comma 7. Okay, from the line. That is the line is given. Okay, I am not writing it again. The line L. Okay, from this line along in the direction of the vector, a vector is like this. That is I plus 4j plus 7k. Okay, so if we see infinite distances, we can point out from this line to this point to this line, right? But there will be only one line which is parallel to this line. Okay, and we need to find the distance of this line segment. Okay, let's take it as A and let's take it as B. Okay, so how are you going to solve this question? Let's draw this one to the left hand side. Okay, I plus 4j plus 7k, so that I can explain. I plus 4j plus 7k. I plus 4j plus 7k. So how are you going to break this one? See, if you find this point B, it's just distance formula. How are you going to find the point B? See, B is mainly the point of intersection of, let's take this as line L1 and this as line L2. This is the point of intersection of L1 and L2. Okay, L1 we already know, L2 we do not know, but we can formulate the equation of L2, right? Therefore, what is the equation of L2? It is x minus 15 by 7 okay, by 1. Okay, it is parallel to this vector. Therefore, we can use the corresponding direction ratios. which is equal to y minus 32 by 7 divided by 7, which is equal to z minus 7 divided by, okay, this is 4. Okay, this is 4 and this is 7. Okay. Okay, so how are you going to solve this one? We formulated the equation of L2 and we have the equation of L1. So how are you going to formulate this one to get the final answer, to get to the final answer? See, for that, let's take, let's rewrite the two equations, and to find the point of intersection, we need to rewrite the two equations. Okay, for that, we need to move to the next slide. That is, x plus 1 by 3 is equal to x plus 1 by 3 is equal to y plus 3 by 5, I think, and z plus 5 by 7, which is equal to z plus 5 by 7. Okay, the next line, x minus 15 by 7 is equal to x minus 15 by 7 is equal to y minus 32 by 7 is equal to z minus 7 by 7. I think it is 4 here. Okay, y minus 32 by 7, z minus 7 by 7. Okay, so you know, all of you should know how to solve this, z plus 5 by 7. Okay, z plus 5 by 7. Okay, we can take it as lambda and we can take it as, and take it as k. Okay, I don't like mu, that's why. So if you, how are you going to solve this? Easy, just take any 2 points from this one. Okay, that is, this is equal to, what is x here? X is equal to 3 lambda minus 1, right? And what is x here? That is k plus 15 by 7, that's all. And what about y here? Y is equal to 5 lambda minus 3. That is, y is equal to 5 lambda minus 3. And what is y here? That is, it is equal to 4k plus 32 by 7. Okay, from here we need to find either lambda or k. There is no need of finding both lambda and k. Okay, if you got the value of lambda, you can substitute here, you will get the value of corresponding x, y and z. Or if you get k, just substitute here, you will get the value of x, y and z. Both will be same. Okay, since it is a point of intersection. Okay, so okay, okay, I am going to multiply here with 4. Okay, it becomes this into 4. Therefore, that becomes 12 lambda minus 4 is equal to 4k plus 60 by 7. Okay, then subtract it. That is equation 2 and equation 1 from 2 minus 1. Therefore, it will be 12 lambda minus 5 lambda is what? That is 7 lambda minus 4 minus 3 is minus 1, which is equal to 60 by 7 minus 32 by 7, that is 28 by 7, that is 4, right? That is equal to 4. That is lambda is equal to what? 5 by 7. So you got the value of lambda. Okay. Therefore, just put lambda is equal to 5 by 7. That is, I am putting lambda is equal to 5 by 7. Therefore, you will get the value of x, y and z. Then you can apply distance formula to get the final cut answer. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to what? 15 by 7 plus 1. That is 15 by 7 minus 1. X is equal to 15 by 7 minus 1. Okay. And what about y? 25 by 7 minus 3. 25 by 7 minus 3. And what about z? 35 by 7. 7 will get cancelled. 5. That is, z is 0. Okay. Therefore, this becomes on, that is 8 by 7. 8 by 7. 21. 4 by 7. Right? 4 by 7. That is 0. 8 by 7. 4 by 7. And what? 0. 8 by 7. 4 by 7 and 0. I am substituting it here. 8 by 7. 4 by 7 and 0. Just apply distance formula, you will get the final result. Okay. Therefore, it will be 15 by 7 minus 8 by 7. That is 7 by 7, right? That is 1 square. Okay. 32 by 7 minus 4 by 7. That is 28 by 7. That is 4. That is 4 square. Okay. Plus 7 square. That's all. 7 minus 4 7 square. That is 49, 50, 16. 66 is the final answer of this one. Okay. I hope you got the idea here. Okay, very easy question. Similar concept is used for solving questions in 2D geometry also. The point of intersection and like that. Okay, I hope you got the idea here. Next one. Okay, similar question, very similar question. Okay, it is 2025. Okay, I forgot to add the year there. Okay, Therefore, the distance of the line from the point 140 along the line x by 1 is equal to y minus 2 by 2 is equal to z plus 3 by 3. Okay, so I am drawing the line here which is L. Okay, this is L. Okay, this is L1. Okay, I am plotting L1 here, and from the point 140, I am taking 140 here, 140. Okay, which is parallel to this line. Okay, that is a line is like this, that is x by 1 is equal to y minus 2 by 2 is equal to z plus 3 by 3. Okay, parallel to this line. We need to find the distance of this point from this line which is parallel to this line. Okay, that is if we draw a parallel line from this point to this line, okay, the line will be somewhat like this. You need to find the length of this line segment. Let's take it as A and this as B. Okay, very easy question. What is the equation of this line segment, line AB? That is part of the line segment. Okay, it will be x minus 1 by 1. We can use the direction ratios which will be proportional, which is equal to y minus 2, y minus 4. Okay, y minus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to z minus 0, that is z by 3. Okay, that's all, and we can solve the two equations for lambda and k, and if you substitute the value of any one of the values, you will get the corresponding values of x, y and z here. Then you can apply distance formula to get the final cut answer. That's all. And line L1, any point on L1 can be, we can try to solve it in here. Okay, that is in L1 which is equal to lambda and this is equal to k. Therefore, it becomes 2 lambda plus 2, 2 lambda plus 2. This is equal to k plus 1, which is equal to k plus 1. Next will be 3 lambda plus 6, which is equal to 2k plus 4, right? 2k plus 4. Okay, multiply this into 2 and you will get 4 lambda plus 4 is equal to 2k plus 2. Okay, take it as equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. Subtract 2 minus 1, you will get 1 from 2, you will get 4 lambda minus 3 lambda is lambda, minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Interesting. Therefore, lambda is equal to what? 0. It can't get more easier than this. Okay. Therefore, this will be what? 0. Okay, that is lambda is equal to 0. And we can write it like x minus 2 by 2 is equal to y minus 6 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. For it should be 0. Then x is equal to what? 2. Y is equal to what? 6. And z is equal to what? 3. That's all. You got the value of x, y and z. 3, 6, 2, 6 and 3. That is, this is 2, 6 and 3. Okay. So, what is apply distance formula here? Okay. They haven't asked the square of distance like that. We need to put the root here. It will be 2 minus 1. That is 1. 1 square plus 6 minus 4, that is 2, 2 square, plus 3 minus 0, 3, that is 3 square. A famous relation, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, root 40. Very easy question. Okay, it was asked in last month, okay, January. Okay, and next one. Okay, a slightly typical one, but doable question, and also this question is asked so much times. Okay, it's a previous year question, PYQ. So, two lines are given. Line L1 is L1, which is given by x minus 1 by 2, which is equal to y minus 2 by 3, which is equal to z minus 3 by 4. And another line L2 is given like x minus 2 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z minus 5 by 5. Okay, we two lines. Then, which of the following points lies on the line of shortest distance between L1 and L2? What are you going to do here? See, you need to identify among the given 4 points, which point lies in the line of shortest distance between L1 and L2. See, for that, you need to find the equation of the shortest line, line of shortest distance between L1 and L2. Okay, only then you can substitute it and you will get the final answer. Okay, so how are you going to do this? Doable one. Okay, let's try and sort it out. Okay, let's let's start from here. Okay, this is L1 and this is what? L2. Okay, it's a rough sketch. Okay, for the drawing. Then which of the following points lies on the line of shortest distance between L1 and L2? Let's take that line as L. Okay, let L be the line in the which is of the shortest distance between L1 and L2. Okay, this is L. See, if it is the shortest distance between L1 and L2, then that line will be perpendicular to these two lines. Okay, let's take it like this. This will be perpendicular, even though it is not perpendicular here. I'm sorry for my drawing. It will be perpendicular. Okay, that is L is perpendicular to both L1 and L2. Okay, and okay, but to form the equation of a line, we need to identify. We need to have a point on that line and also direction ratios which is proportional to that line. Okay, two of the data are not given. That is a problem here. Okay, it makes the calculation a bit more lengthier. Not a bit more lengthier. Okay, so first things first, let's try and find the direction ratios first. Okay, so we know that this L is perpendicular to both these lines. Okay, therefore the direction ratios proportional to L will be parallel to the cross product of these two direction ratios. Okay, therefore let's take the direction ratios of L like this: I, J, K, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is 15 minus 16, that is minus I, 10 minus 12, right? That is 10 minus 12, that is minus 2, that is plus 2j, and 8 minus 9, that is minus k. Okay, that is minus I plus 2j minus k, that is minus 1, 2, minus 1 are the direction ratios of this line. Okay, then we need to proceed to the next step, that is finding a point on this line. Okay, so let's take the general point on L1 and L2. Let's take it as lambda and this as k. Okay, therefore this will be 2 lambda plus 1, that is 2 lambda plus 1, comma 3 lambda plus 2, 3 lambda plus 2. Okay, L1 is here. Next one is 4 lambda plus 3, that is 4 lambda plus 3. Okay, next one is like 3k plus 2, that is 3k plus 2 and 4k plus 4, 4k plus 4, comma 5k plus 5, 5k plus 5. Okay, these are the 5k plus 5. Okay, these are the two general points. Okay, so we know that the direction ratio of this line is proportional to minus 1, 2, minus 1, right? Therefore, there is one more method of finding direction ratios if 2 points on the line are given, like if x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 are 2 points on a line, then the direction ratios of that line is proportional to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. Okay, therefore in this case also if you apply it like this, 2 lambda plus 1 minus 3k minus 2 is to 3 lambda plus 2 minus 4k minus 4 is to 4 lambda plus 3, 4 lambda plus 3 minus 5k minus 5. Sorry. 4 lambda plus 3 minus 5k minus 5, which is equal to the ratio is like minus 1 is to 2 is to minus 1, minus 1 is to 2 is to minus 1. Okay, so let's sort it out. This will be 2 lambda minus 3k, that is 2 lambda minus 3k minus 1 is to 3 lambda minus 4k minus 2 is to 4 lambda minus 5k minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 is to 2 is to minus 1. Okay, so let's take it as PQR. Okay, I'm taking it as PQR, obviously to the next slide, that is P is to Q is to R is P is to Q is to R is equal to minus 1 is to 2 is to minus 1. Okay, so what will be P by Q? That is P by Q is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, that is 2P is equal to minus Q. That is 1. And what is P by R? P by R is equal to minus 1 by minus 1. That is P is equal to R. Okay. That is, further we can write it like this. That is 2P plus Q is equal to 0. and P minus R is equal to 0. Okay, let's write all of this here. Okay, and what was P? P is 2 lambda minus 3k minus 1. That is 2 lambda minus 3k minus 1. That is P. I'm sorry for shuttling between the slides. Okay, no other options. That's why. 3 lambda minus 4k minus 2. 3 lambda minus 4k minus 2 and 4 lambda minus 5k minus 2. 4 lambda minus 5k minus 2. And this is P and this is Q and this is what R. Okay, let's substitute it here. 2P means 4 lambda minus 6k minus 2 and plus Q means 4 lambda plus 3 lambda is what? 7 lambda minus 6k minus 4k is what? Minus 10k minus 2 minus 2 that is equal to 4. Okay, and P minus R is equal to 0, that is 2 lambda minus 4 lambda, that is minus 2 lambda minus 3k minus 5k, that is plus 2k. Okay, that is minus 1 minus 1, that is 1, that is plus 1 is equal to 0. That is, this can be further reduced like lambda minus k is equal to 1 by 2. That is minus 2 lambda plus 2k is equal to minus 1. Multiply both sides with minus 1 by 2. It will be lambda minus k is equal to 1 by 2. Multiply here with 10. Okay, so that we can cancel out. That is 10 lambda minus 10k is equal to 5. 10 lambda minus 10k is equal to 5. Subtract, you will get 3 lambda is equal to 1. Lambda is equal to what? 1 by 3. Okay, so you got lambda is equal to 1 by 3. And if lambda is equal to 1 by 3, then what will be the corresponding coordinates? For that also, we need to move to the next slide, the previous slide. That is 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda plus 2. 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda plus 2. Okay. 4 lambda plus 3. 4 lambda plus 3. Okay, what was lambda? 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3 plus 1. 5 by 3. Okay, and 3 lambda 1, that is 3. Okay, 4 lambda, 4 by 3 and 4 by 3 plus 3. 9, 13 by 3, right? 13 by 3. So you got the point also. Then that's it. That is the final cut answer. Before the final cut answer, that should be it. Okay, that is 5 by 3, 3, 13 by 3. 4 by 3 plus 3, 9 plus. Okay, 5 by 3, 3, 13 by 3. Therefore, the point is like 5 by 3, 3, 13 by 3. Therefore, the equation of the line will be x minus 5 by 3 divided by the direction ratio is minus 1, which is equal to y minus 3 by 2 is equal to z minus 13 by 3 divided by minus 1. Okay, so we can substitute the corresponding points here, and which point is matching, you can go for that answer. Okay, I think fourth option will satisfy, I think. Okay, if my memory serves right. 14 by 3 minus 5 by 3, that is 9 by 3, 9 by 3 is 3 and 3 by minus 1 is minus 3. Again minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6, minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. So here we have minus 3, here also we have what? Minus 3. And 22 by 3. 22 by 3 minus 13 by 3 is 9 by 3, 9 by 3 is 3 and 3 by minus 1 is what? Minus 3. Therefore minus 3 is equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Okay. The problem with this question is, even after finding all of these constraints, these unknown parameters, we have to go for the final option to get to the final answer. Okay, most of the students will have to go through this one, this one, this one. See, mostly we can identify from here itself. You don't have to go for all the three substitutions. Okay, that is, sometimes you can neglect z. Okay, by just substituting x and y only, you will get the you can identify whether it's correct or not, whether the given points lies on this line or not. Okay. It's about that for competitive examination. Sometimes it is like that. Okay, and the next one. Okay, our very next question, a very easy one. Let the line passing through the points minus 1 to 1 and parallel to the line x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 is equal to z by 4 is intersecting another line. Okay, at the point P. Then the distance of the P from the point 4 minus 1, 5 basically. Okay, it's a very easy question, just distance formula, point of intersection and distance formula. Okay, that's all. And see, we need to find the point of intersection of this line and a line which is passing through this point and parallel to this line. Okay, so let's formulate the equation of that line first. That is, it will be x plus 1 divided by 2, 3, 4 and parallel to, right? That is and parallel to the line 2, 3, 4. That is 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 1 divided by 4. Okay. So I am putting here lambda, which is equal to lambda, and this is equal to k. Okay, the usual drill for finding the point of intersection. Therefore, it will be 2 lambda minus 1, which is equal to 3k minus 2. 3k minus 2. And there is one more, I think, one more should be there. That is 3 lambda plus 2. 3 lambda plus 2, which is equal to 3 lambda plus 2, which is equal to from here 2 lambda plus 3. Okay, fine. 2 lambda plus 3. Okay. Therefore, it will be 2 lambda minus 3k is equal to minus 1. That is again, this is 2k. Okay, sorry, my mistake, 2k. And 3 lambda minus 2k is equal to 1. Okay, how are you going to solve this one? Any idea? There is one thing which is, if you add it, you will get 5 lambda minus 5k is equal to 0. That is, lambda is equal to k. Okay, it worked here. Okay, not every time. Substitute it here. Therefore, 2 lambda minus 3 lambda is equal to minus 1. Therefore, lambda is equal to what? 1. Okay. Substitute, that is 1 lambda, I am searching for lambda. Lambda is equal to 1 is here. Okay, therefore, it is equal to 1. Therefore, just equate, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay, and 3 into 1 plus 2, that is 5. Okay, next one, 4 into 1 plus 1, that is again 5, right? And the point Q is 4 minus 5, 1. Okay, let's sort it out. Distance, right? There is no need of squaring it up. Okay, 4 minus 1, that is 3 square plus 5 minus minus 5, that is 10 square plus 5 minus 1, that is again 4 square. Okay, that is basically it is 100 plus 25, 125, 5 root 5. Done. 5 root 5 is the answer. That is the Pythagorean triplets 25. 100 plus 25, 125, square root of 125 is 5 root 5. See, one thing is that I am skipping some steps here. Okay, that is not for me. I can do this like in 2 or 3 slides. It's for you. Okay, so while watching, if you have any doubts regarding any basic step, just pause the video and just do the steps by yourself. Okay, why I am skipping the step means that's my only option. Okay, otherwise. We should save some time in some areas, right? That's why. Okay, eventually you will catch it up. Okay, so stay tuned till the end of the video. Okay, don't get bothered about this skipping the steps. Okay, I hope you are getting the idea here. Let's move to the next question. Next one. Image question. Okay, let P be the image of the point 7 minus 2, 5 in the line x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 is equal to z by 4, and R5PQ be a point on line L. Okay, then the square of the area of triangle PQR. Okay, this is one question which you should be very careful about, is image. The second question is shortest distance between skew lines. See, the two the questions from image and the shortest distance between skew lines are being notoriously repeated year after year. It has started from 2023. In 2024, so many questions are there. So many questions are there based on image and shortest distance between skew lines. Okay. Okay, I will give you some idea regarding this, and it's solved. Okay, you know how to solve this. Okay, let's try and solve this one. Okay, let P be the image of the point Q 7 minus 2, 5 in the line x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 is equal to z by 4. So let's start with the Q here. It is Q, that is 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. Okay, let's draw a foot of the perpendicular. If it exceeds, it becomes as the same length, it becomes the image. Okay. P is the image of the point Q, that is P is here. Okay, and R is a point on the line L, right? Therefore, we can take R here or here, wherever it is. Okay. Therefore, we need to find the foot of the perpendicular first. To get the image, we need to find the foot of the perpendicular, as in 2D geometry. But in 2D geometry, we have a ready-made formula to find the image directly, image and foot of the perpendicular directly. Okay, and okay, I'm not writing the equation of this line. Okay, I'm just writing a general point. That is, general point is like 2 lambda plus 1, 2 lambda plus 1, comma 3 lambda minus 1, 3 lambda minus 1, and 4 lambda. 4 lambda. Okay, we can mark R here. Okay, so that avoid the congestion. Okay, so you know the drill, right? Just find the direction ratios and dot it with here. You will get the value of lambda. That is 2 lambda minus 6, 3 lambda plus 1, 4 lambda minus 5. That is 2, 3, and 4. Okay, if you dot it, you will get 0. Okay, same drill. That is 4 lambda minus 12 plus 9 lambda plus 3 plus 16 lambda minus 20 is equal to 0. That is 13, 29 lambda. That is 29 lambda minus 30. Okay, it is equal to 29. That is lambda is equal to 1. That is lambda is equal to 1. For here, lambda is equal to 1. So, I am writing the corresponding value here itself. Okay. If lambda is equal to 1, the points will be like 3. 3 minus 1, that is 2, and 4. Okay. How are you going to find the image? If image is like alpha, beta, gamma, 7 plus alpha, see this is a foot of the perpendicular is a midpoint of Q and its image. Okay. Therefore, it will be 7 plus alpha by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, alpha is equal to minus 1. Like that, you will get beta and gamma also. What will be beta? 4, I think 6. That is beta is equal to 6. And what will be gamma? Gamma is equal to 8. Gamma is equal to 3. Okay, therefore alpha is equal to minus 1, beta is equal to 6, and gamma is equal to 3. Next one, we need to find the point R, right? What was R? 5 P Q. Okay, let's equate. And that is 2 lambda plus 1. Okay, lambda is a parameter actually. Lambda can take any values. In here, the value is 1. Okay, so I need to find which value of lambda it hits x coordinate as 5. Okay, that is 2 lambda plus 1 is equal to 5. That is lambda is equal to 4 by 2. That is 2. So when lambda is equal to 2, it becomes the point R. Okay, therefore the other points will be, that is 5. Okay, if you substitute lambda is equal to 2 here, that is 6 minus 1, 5. It is not this point I am talking about. Okay, if you see lambda can have any value, one value is 1. Okay, and if lambda hits 1, it becomes the point becomes foot of the perpendicular, and if lambda hits 2, it becomes the point R. Okay, so next one is like 8. So I think you got all of it. Q P R. Okay, that is the area which you need to find here. Okay, I'm marking that only. Here we can mark. Okay. And Q, P, R, that is Q and P and what? R. Okay. So Q is what? 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. And what about P? P is minus 163. Minus 163. And R. R is what? 558, right? R, that is here. Okay, 558. So how are you going to solve this one? And what about this point? This point is 3, 2, 4. How will you find the area of this triangle? Do not go for vectors, okay? Just take half into base into altitude, okay? Base is this one, altitude is this one. And let's do, that is half into, base is like square root of 5 minus 3 the whole square, that is 2 square, plus again 5 minus 2 the whole square, that is 3 square plus 4 square. And that will be root 29 into root of that was height, base. 7 minus minus 1 the whole square, that is 8 square plus 6 minus minus 2 whole square, again 8 square, and 3 minus 5, that is 2 square. Okay. That is, next slide. This is 1 by 2 into root 29. 1 by 2 into root 29 into root 132. And how will you go for root 132? What is root 132? That is 4 into 25 plus 33, right? That is 4 into 33. That is 1 by 2 into root 29 into 66. 2 root 33. That is got cancelled. Therefore, area is, you need to find the square of area, right? Therefore, area square is equal to 29 into 33. We need to solve that one. That is 900 something you will get. That is 3329. That is, sorry, 270, 297. That is 297. It is 66. That is 7, 15, 1. 957 is the final cut answer. Okay, 957. Okay, next one. P and Q be the points on the line x plus 3 by 8 is equal to y minus 4 by 2 is equal to z plus 1 by 2, which are at a distance of 6 units from the point R1, 2, 3. Okay, and there will be a triangle PQR and it will have a centroid for sure. You need to find the centroids and the square, that is, if the centroid is alpha, beta, gamma, you need to find alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. So, how are you going to solve this one? Easy one. Let's draw a line, start from a line first, that is P, Q, and what about R? R is 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's take this as a triangle. Okay, got smaller, sorry. So, how are you going to find P and Q? See, let's assign a parameter lambda here. My question is, do you need to assign two parameters here to find P and Q? Actually, no, because if you formulate the general point on the line from here, that is, it will be 8 lambda minus 3, 2 lambda plus 4, 2 lambda minus 1, and the point R 1, 2, 3. The distance from this point to this point, general point on this line to this line, if you take it as 6, and if you solve it, you will get a quadratic equation lambda. And if you solve the quadratic equation, you will get two values. And for one value, you will get a point P, and for other value, you will get the point Q. Okay, that's all. There is no need of considering two parameters here. Okay. So let's formulate. Let's not waste time. Okay, I'm squaring both sides. So this becomes 6 square. Okay, so eliminating the root and squaring, it will be 8 lambda minus 4 the whole square plus 2 lambda plus 4 and plus 2 the whole square. Okay, 2 lambda plus 4. Okay, and 2 lambda minus 4 the whole square. That is 2 lambda minus 4 the whole square is equal to 36. So this will be 64 lambda square, 4 lambda square, 4 lambda square, 72 lambda square. That is 72 lambda square. Again, this is 4 square, 2 square, 4 square, that is 20, 16, 36. 36 from this side and that side got cancelled. And this becomes minus 60, minus 32, minus 64 lambda. This becomes plus 8 lambda. This becomes minus 16 lambda is equal to 0. That is minus 72 lambda. Okay, got easier. That is 72 lambda square minus 72 lambda is equal to 0. Do not cancel lambda. Okay, that's not the method of solving this one. Okay, that is you need to you can cancel 72 and take lambda as common. That is lambda into lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, two values of lambda. First value is 0 and next value is 1. Okay, therefore lambda is equal to 0 and lambda is equal to 1. Okay, and if lambda is equal to 0, what is the value of x, y and z here? X is minus 3 and y is 4 and z is minus 1. Okay, and if lambda is equal to 1, then what is the value of x, y and z? That is 8 minus 3, that is 5, right? And here it will be 6, I think. Yeah, 6, and here it will be 1, that is, yeah, 1. Okay, done. So let's go for the centroid here. What is the centroid? Arithmetic mean of x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate. That is 5 plus 1, 6 plus minus 3. That is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. That is centroid is 1. That is alpha is 1. Next one. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 4 is 12, by 3 is 4, that is beta is 4. Next one, 1 plus 3, 4, minus 1, 3, 3 by 3, 1. That is, if you square it, you will get 18. That's all. Done. Very easy question. Next one. Let the point on the line passing through the points 1, minus 2, 3 and q minus 5, minus 4, 7 farther from the origin are at a distance of 9 units from the point P. The B alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, let's read it one more time. Let the point on the line passing to the points P 1, minus 2, 3 and Q 5, minus 4, 7. Okay, 2 points on line is given. Therefore, we can easily formulate the equation of the line. Okay. Okay, general point on that line which is farther from the origin and a distance of 9 units from the point P. Okay, P itself, right? B alpha, beta, gamma. Then you need to find alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Previous problem was also to find alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. And we applied distance formula there also, right? Similar question. Okay, so let's mark the point here. That is, it is P. Okay, and PQ point on that line can be taken as R. Okay, I was checking whether the alphabet is given for that point. Okay, and it is Q. Okay, you don't have to put much consideration or much concern about whether R lies in between P and Q or lies outside P and Q. Okay, not an issue. Okay, wherever it is, not our concern. Okay, so what is P? 1, minus 2, 3 and Q. Q is what? 5, minus 4, 7. So what? Let's formulate the equation of line PQ first. Okay, therefore PQ. Okay, it will be 1 minus 2, that is x minus 1 is equal to y plus 2 is equal to z minus 3. We can go for the direction ratios later. 1 minus 5, that is minus 4, minus 2 minus 4, that is 2, and 3 minus 1, that is minus 4. Okay, since it is a direction ratio, we can cancel that, and after that you will get x minus 1 is equal to y plus 2 is equal to z minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1 and 2. Okay, and if you put lambda here, you will get the point as 2 lambda, general point as 2 lambda plus 1 minus lambda minus 2, 2 lambda plus 3. These are the points. Okay, so again the corresponding points will be 1, minus 2 and what 3. Okay, so if you consider this point as R and the P is already given, that is 1, minus 2, 3, the distance between P and R is given like 9, right? Therefore, I am squaring, I am applying distance formula and squaring at the same time in order to cancel out the rules. Okay, so right hand side becomes 81. So this becomes 2 lambda square plus minus lambda square plus 2 lambda square, that is 2 lambda plus 1 minus 1 minus lambda minus 2 minus minus 2, 2 lambda plus 3 minus 3. Okay, that is equal to 81. This is 9 lambda square, that is equal to 81, that is lambda square is equal to 9. Therefore, two values of lambda, that is lambda is equal to 3 comma minus 3. Okay, you can substitute the two values here. The first value will be like, if you substitute lambda is equal to 3, you will get 2 lambda plus 1, that is 6 plus 1, that is 7. Okay, and minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. 2 lambda plus 3, that is 6, 9, right? That is 9. Okay, that is first one. If lambda is equal to 3 and if lambda is equal to minus 3 and lambda is equal to minus 3, you will get minus 6 plus 5, that is minus 5 comma minus of minus 3, that is 1, that is 1 minus 6 plus 3, right? Minus 3 if lambda is equal to minus 3. See, these points we need to consider. See, there are two values of lambda, but there is one point. Unlike the last question, there were 2 points, but in here only 1 point is there. Okay, so to get the 1 point, they have given the additional information like it is farthest from the origin. Okay, therefore, if you consider origin like this 0, 0, 0, the distance from origin to this point, let's take it as A, and let's take it as B. Okay, or let's take it like this. R1, R2. We do not know which is the original point. Okay. See, if you apply distance formula here, and if you for which value you are getting the biggest value. Okay. If lambda is equal to 3 or lambda is equal to minus 3, that should be our correct answer. That is, if you apply distance from the origin, and there is no need of subtracting it, we can directly square this up. That is, distance of a point x, y, z from 0, 0, 0 is just root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, and in here I think we need to find the square of that distance. That is either this point or this point. We need to square and sum that point. Okay, sum of that points. It is same as finding the distance from origin to those points. Okay. Therefore, if you sum it up, it will be like 7 square plus minus 5 square plus 9 square. That is this one. That is 7 square is what? 49 plus 25 plus 9 is what? 9 square is 81. That is 81 plus 120, 130, 155 is there. Okay. That is one thing. And if you consider this one, it will be 25 plus minus 5 square plus 1 square plus minus 3 square. That is 25 plus 1. 26 plus 9, 35. Okay, we cannot accept that since it is closest to the origin. Okay, therefore the correct answer is what? 155. That is the final cut answer for this one. Was a very easy question. Okay, next one. Our very next question from 2025. Okay, let a line pass through two distinct points P and Q and be parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j plus 2k. Okay. If the distance of the point Q from the point R133 is 5, then the square of the area of triangle PQR is equal to. Let's try and find it out. Okay. It will be easy, I think. Let's formulate the equation of the line first. It is passing to the point minus 2, minus 1, 3. And it is parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j plus 2k. So, what is the equation of that line? It will be x plus 2 by 3 is equal to y plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, that is what the equation of the line is. Okay, since the line is passing through 2 points P and Q, we need to consider the general point on that line. Okay, therefore let's consider the parameter lambda, same drill. Therefore, general point of the line will be 3 lambda minus 2. 2 lambda minus 1 and 2 lambda plus 3. Okay, that is the general point on that line. And the distance of the point Q from the point R is 5. Okay, that is 1, 3, 3. The distance is what? 5. Okay, this is Q and this is what? This is R. Okay, I hope you are getting the idea here. So, it will be 3 lambda minus 3 the whole square plus 2 lambda minus 4 the whole square plus 2 lambda the whole square is equal to 25. That is 9 lambda square plus 4 lambda square plus 4 lambda square. That is 17 lambda square. 17 lambda square. This is 3 square and 4 square. That is 25 got cancelled. That is minus 18 minus 16. That is minus 34 lambda is equal to 0. Okay. That is lambda is equal to 0 or lambda is equal to what? 2 points are there. Which point you should take here? The problem is if you take lambda is equal to 0, you will get the points like minus lambda is equal to 0. If you assign this value, you will get the point as P only. Okay. You will get the point P only. Okay, that is minus 2, minus 1 and 3. Therefore, lambda is equal to 0. We don't have to consider lambda is equal to 0 there. It's not incorrect, but by applying lambda is equal to 0, you will get a coordinate which is already given. Okay. Therefore, to get Q, you need to use the other parameter for lambda, other value for lambda, that is 2. Okay, that is P. I am marking it one more time here. P is minus 2, minus 1, 3 and Q is, if lambda is equal to 2, apply in the general point. Okay, that is 6 minus 2, that is 4. And 4 minus 1, that is 3. And 2 lambda plus 3, that is 7. 4, 3, 7. I think those are the points. That is 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3, and 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. The point R is given like, that is this Q, and point R is given like 1, 3, 3. We can use the concept of vector here, that is area of a triangle is half into vector QP cross vector QR. Okay, magnitude of. So let's find QP and QR here. What about QP? QP is, I am writing it here, QP. That is 4 minus minus 2, right? That is minus 2 minus minus 4, that is minus 6. Minus 1, that is minus 4 and minus 4. That is what QP is. Position vector of P minus position vector of Q. And what about QR? Position vector of R minus position vector of Q. That is minus 3, 0, minus 4. Minus 3, 0 and minus 4. Okay, we can apply it, move to the next slide to get the final answer. That is, it is half into I, J, K into minus 6 minus 4 minus 4, minus 6 minus 4 minus 4, okay, and minus 3 0 minus 4, and minus 3 0 minus 4. See, we can take negative here from here and here as well, the scalar property, therefore we can put plus here. Okay, therefore half into 16I. Okay, 24 minus 12, that is minus 12J plus minus 12K. Okay, this is what vector A cross vector B, that is half into, this is what 256 plus 144, that is 400, 400 plus 144, 544. Okay, so you need to find the square of this one, right? I think you need to find the square of the area of triangle PQR. That is 1 by 4 into, this is area, and area square is 1 by 4 into 544, that is 136. Okay, that's all. Done. Understood? Done, understood. And the next one. Let P be the point of intersection of the lines, of the two lines. Okay. Then the shortest distance of P from the line 4x is equal to 2y is equal to z is. Lengthy one. Okay, you need to find the point of intersection first and use the image concept to get the other value. Okay, let's try and sort it out. So let's go to let's find the point of intersection first. Okay, let's take this as parameter lambda and this as parameter k. Therefore, it will be lambda plus 2. Okay, it is lambda plus 2, which is equal to 2k plus 3. 2k plus 3. And next one is like 5 lambda plus 4. 5 lambda plus 4 is equal to 3k plus 2. 3k plus 2. Okay. Let's assemble everything. That is lambda plus 2k, lambda minus 2k is equal to 1, and 5 lambda minus 3k is equal to minus 2. Okay, we can multiply here with 5 lambda. You will get 5 lambda minus 10k is equal to 5. Subtract and you will get minus 7k is equal to 7. Okay, therefore k is equal to minus 1. That was easy. If you put k is equal to minus 1 here, you will get the corresponding point of intersection. That is minus 2 plus 3. That is 1. And minus 3 plus 2. That is minus 1. And minus 2 plus 3. That is 1. 1 is the point of intersection. And the shortest distance of P from the line 4x is equal to 2y is equal to z is. Okay, let's take it as P. Okay, the shortest distance of P from this line. Okay, that is you need to find the foot of the perpendicular. Let's take it as lambda and k is used. Let's take it as mu. Okay, so this will be the general point will be mu by 4 comma mu by 2 comma mu. Okay, you know the drill, right? Just to find mu, there is a method actually, which is a very familiar method. Find the direction ratios and apply dot product, you will get the value. Okay, I think we need to move to the next slide. So here we can write, I think that is mu by 4 minus 1 mu by 2 plus 1 and mu minus 1. Okay, that is what the direction ratios of this line, which is perpendicular to the direction ratios of this line, that is x by 1 by 4. That line can be, this line can be rewritten as x by 1 by 4 is equal to y by 1 by 2 is equal to z by 1. So, the direction ratios are 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1. Okay. Next slide. That is 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1. Okay. Mu by 4 minus 1, mu by 2 plus 1. Mu by 4 minus 1, mu by 2 plus 1 and mu minus 1. Multiply it, you will get mu by 16 minus 1 by 4 plus mu by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus mu minus 1 is equal to 0. So, 4, 16, 20, 21, that is 21 mu by 16, 2 by 4, that is 4 by 4, that is minus 5 by 4. Is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, got cancelled and becomes 4, and this is 7, that is mu is equal to 4 by 7. Mu is equal to 4 by 7. Okay, so we need to find the distance formula, right? That is, see, it's easy. We already find a part of the distance formula here, right? That is mu by 4 minus 1, mu by 2 plus 1 and mu minus 1. If you square this, you will get the distance, that's all. The shortest distance between, right? Root of square of this one. I hope you are getting the idea. See, if there will be a point here, right? That is mu by 4. If assume that is mu by 4, then the distance formula will be like mu by 4 minus 1 the whole square, mu by 2 plus 1 the whole square, mu minus 1 the whole square, square root of, right? Later we can apply the formula. Okay, that is mu by 4 minus 1, that is in here. That is the distance will be like mu by 4 minus 1 the whole square plus mu by 2 plus 1 the whole square plus mu minus 1 the whole square. Okay, put a root on here. Okay, and what was mu actually? Mu is 4 by 7. If you substitute 4 by 7 here, it will become 1 by 7, right? Yeah, that is 1 by 7 minus 1 the whole square plus this is 4 by 7, that is 2 by 7, that is 2 by 7 plus 1 the whole square plus 4 by 7 minus 1 the whole square. Okay, and this is 6 by 7, right? That is 36 by 7, and this is 9 by 7, that is 81 by 7 plus, and this one 7 by 7, again 9 by 7. Okay, 7 square, 7 square is there. Therefore, altogether it will be 90, 126, that is root of 126 by 7. Root of 126 is 14 into 9, and you can take the 9 outside. It will be like 3 root 14 by 7. The final cut answer will be 3 root 14 by 7. I hope you got the idea here. Okay, see, was an easy question, but it's a progressive question. Okay, see, you can see some questions which is solely based on finding image and using any two among these points like that. But in here they have merged two questions. Okay, that's what made the question a bit lengthy, but it's a doable question. I agree, it's a time consuming as well as a doable question. Okay, so next one. Image, right? See, consider a line L passing to the point P121 and Q21 minus 1. Okay, if the mirror image of the point A22 in the line L is alpha, beta, gamma, then alpha plus beta plus 6 gamma is equal to. In short, you need to find alpha, beta, gamma. Okay. Okay, we can sort it out. PQ. Okay, a line is passing to the points PQ. Okay, then what is the equation of that line? That is, we can start from here. That is x minus 1 is equal to y minus 2 is equal to z minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, direction ratios 2 minus 1, that is 1, and 1 minus minus 2, that is 2. Okay, that should be it. The mirror image of the point A22 in the line L. Okay, that is we can mark 2, 2, 2 here. Okay, in the line L. Okay. Therefore, we need to find, this is the line L. The equation of L is here, okay, which is equal to lambda. I should put this equal to lambda. Okay, you know the drill, right? Take the general point that we just did this question, that is minus lambda plus 1, minus lambda plus 1, and lambda plus 2, lambda plus 2, and 2 lambda plus 1, 2 lambda plus 1. Okay. So the direction ratios of this will be minus lambda minus 1. Okay, and lambda, and 2 lambda minus 1, 2 lambda minus 1. Okay, and which is perpendicular to minus 1, 1 and 2, that is minus 1, 1 and 2. Therefore, this becomes lambda plus 1 plus lambda plus 4 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, 6 lambda minus lambda is equal to 1 by 6. That is lambda is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. So, we can substitute the values here and you will get 2, 2, 2. That is 2, 2, 2. Okay. And this point will be minus lambda plus 1. We can substitute 1 by 6 here. It will be minus 1 by 6 plus 1. Okay, and 1 by 6 plus 2 and 2 into 1 by 6 plus 1. Okay, it will be 5 by 6. Okay, it will be 13 by 6. Okay, and it will be 22, that is 2 by 6, that is 6 by 8 by 6. Okay, the points are like 5 by 6, 13 by 6 and 8 by 6. 5 by 6, 13 by 6 and 8 by 6. Okay, this we can take it as alpha, beta, gamma, and you know the drill, use midpoint theorem here. Therefore, alpha plus 2 by 2 is equal to 5 by 6. Beta plus 2 by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Gamma plus 2 by 2 is equal to 8 by 6. Okay. So, alpha plus 2 is equal to, okay, we can cancel this 2. This becomes 3. Again 3. This also becomes 3. Okay. Therefore, alpha is equal to 5 by 3 minus 2. That is alpha is equal to 5 by 3 minus 2. That is minus 6 minus 1 by 3. That is alpha is equal to minus 1 by 3. And beta is equal to 13 by 3 minus 2. That is 13 by 3 minus 2. That is 6. 13 minus 7 by 3. That is beta is equal to 7 by 3. And gamma is equal to 8 by 3 minus 2. Gamma is equal to 8 by 3 minus 2. That is 6. That is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. That is 3 gamma is equal to 2. Therefore, 6 gamma is equal to 4. And you need to find alpha plus beta plus 6 gamma, right? That is alpha plus beta plus 6 gamma. And what is alpha? Minus 1 by 3. That is minus 1 by 3 plus 7 by 3 plus 6 gamma is what? 4. Okay. Minus 1 by 3 plus 7 by 3, 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is 2. 2 plus 4 is what? 6. That is 6 is the final cut answer for this one. Okay. I hope you got the idea here. Then the next question. A very easy question. If the line makes a right angle with this line, then you need to find 4 lambda plus 9 mu. Okay. See, it is for you know how to find angle between two lines in terms of direction ratios. But before that, we should reduce the line into standard form. That is, coefficients of x, y, and z should be 1 on the numerator. Okay. It is not like that in here. We can formulate that. So, this line, if you rewrite it, it will be like x minus 2 by minus 3, which is equal to this, divide numerator and denominator with 3. You will get y minus 2 by 3 divided by 4 lambda plus 1 by 3. See, our objective is to make the coefficient of the variables 1. Okay. It is z minus 4 divided by minus 1. That's done. This will be x plus 3 by 3 mu multiply numerator and denominator with minus 2, you will get y minus 1 by 2 by 6 by minus 2 is minus 3, which is equal to z minus 5 divided by minus 7. Okay, that's it. Then they are right angle means the dot product of corresponding direction ratios will be 0. Therefore, if you multiply it, you will get minus 9 mu. That is minus 3 into 3 mu is 9 mu. Minus 3 into 4 lambda plus 1 by 3 got cancelled, becomes minus of 4 lambda plus 1. Minus 7 into 7 is plus 7 is equal to 0. That is minus 9 mu minus 4 lambda minus 1 plus 7, that is plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Then you need to find 4 lambda plus 9 mu here. That is minus 9 mu minus 4 lambda is equal to minus 6. That is 9 mu plus 4 lambda is equal to 6. That is the result. Okay. It was a very easy question. You know how to, you should know how to convert this. Okay. I hope you got the idea here. Next question. Okay. Okay, this is our last question. Okay, to find the area of a quadrilateral, two methods we can use here. Either we can use the vector method, or there is another method also. We can go for the vector method here. Okay, as I said before, if you know the diagonals of a quadrilateral, you can easily find the area of that quadrilateral. Okay, so let's start from a rough sketch here. That is A. This can be taken as C. This can be taken as D. That is A, B, C and what? D. And what is A? 3, 1, minus 1. And what is B? 5 by 3, 7 by 3, 1 by 3. And C? 2, 2, 1. And what is D? 10 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3. So what is the area of a quadrilateral? Very easy. Half into vector AC cross this diagonal cross this one, cross vector BD. That's all. Okay. Vector AC cross vector BD. So I am going to find vector AC cross vector BD first. See, I am not writing vector AC and vector BD. Okay, just we can formulate it and directly apply it here. Okay. So what is vector AC? Position vector of C minus position vector of A. So basically this minus this. What is 2 minus 3? Minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? 1. What is 1 minus minus 1? 2. Okay. And what is vector BD? D minus vector B. That is 10 by 3 minus 5 by 3. That is 5 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3. That is minus 5 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. This is the determinant. Okay. This is 1 by 2. Okay. See, before opening the determinant, one thing we can do is we can take the 3 outside. Okay. Therefore, it will be 1 by 6 into I, J, K minus 1, 1, 2, 5, minus 5 and minus 2. Okay, 5 minus 5 and minus 2. Okay, I took the 1 by 3 here. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 became 1 by 6. Okay, not enough space. Okay, let's move to the next slide. That is, I am going to write it again. That is 1 by 6 into I, J, K minus 1, 1, 2. That is minus 1, 1, 2. Next one is 5 minus 5 minus 2. 5 minus 5 minus 2. Okay, this becomes 1 by 6 into minus 2 plus 10. That is 8i. 2 minus 10, that is plus 8j. And again minus 5, 5 minus 5, that is 0. Okay, that's done. Therefore, 1 by 6 into the magnitude of this one. I just need to check if they ask the square of, no, that's the area. That is 1 by 6 into root of 64 plus 64. That is 8 square plus 8 square. That is 128. 128, that is 64 into 2, right? Take it outside, it will be 8 by 6 root 2. 8 by 6 can be further written as 4 by 3 into root 2. Okay, that is 4 root 2 by 3. That is, B is the final cut answer. Okay, and that's all for today's session. Okay, we have discussed so many questions today. Just try and solve these questions by yourself at once. Okay, it will help you a lot. And again, thank you for listening, and be updated and have a nice day. Okay, thank you.